Welcome back to Random Jobs and Odd Tasks. I have a quick unboxing and review of a Ryobi Universal Cultivator Tiller Attachment. Check the description down below to see a list of compatible attachment capable trimmers. Garden tillers are used to break up hard ground and prepare the garden for planting. Tilling is essential for new garden beds and should really be considered a requirement. Your soil health is greatly improved by tilling, and it makes planting seeds much easier. This attachment weighs approximately 13 pounds fully assembled. It has a tilling width of 7 to 10 inches and a tilling depth of about 8 inches. This Ryobi attachment is backed by a 3-year warranty. The packaging contains 4 tines, the cultivator attachment, a J handle, the hardware, which is your cotter pins and your felt washers, your operator's manual, and assembly instructions. The instructions are straightforward and assembly is quite simple. Just insert the tines in the correct orientation. Place the felt pads, or the felt pad washers rather, in between the tines and place your cotter pins on the ends. After you've done that, your universal tiller is ready to equip to whatever trimmer you have. I'll be pairing this with my commercial grade Toro 18-inch straight shaft trimmer with a 25.4cc 2-cycle engine. Model number is 51978A. I upgraded this particular trimmer with an Echo Speed Feed bump head, which is absolutely awesome. So check the description down below, there's a link for that video. Go give it a watch. Attaching the Ryobi cultivator to my Toro was really quite easy. It's a breeze. It took mere seconds to do it. And altogether this weighs about 30 pounds. So I live in a new development and the ground in my side yard is compacted, tough, and rocky. I gave this particular attachment a hard time, causing it to jump as it couldn't get a bite into the ground, which you will see here. Given enough time though, I'm sure it would have gotten some depth. However, I decided to go over to my brother's house and use it on his garden bed. He and his wife will be planning to plant some flowers here, and it gave me the opportunity to test this out and help them out at the same time. So it does a decent job of digging down into the earth and turning it over, spreading it about. performing well, preparing the area for the work that needs to be done, but you're just going to have to be careful of large objects getting lodged in between the tines. During my use there, as you can see, a rock ended up getting wedged between the clutch there and the tine. I tried to get it out. The rock didn't work, my hands didn't work, so I ended up taking the one tine off, and I just used a hammer and persuaded it and got it to dislodge. After that, just put the tine back on. We're good to go. For $168 Canadian, this is a great addition to my landscaping equipment. Unless you have a large, tough area to till, anyone who has a compatible trimmer head would benefit from this product. It saves space and time, which is a great convenience. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Look forward to more. See you next time.